In this problem, we are asked to write the following expression in log form. So it's currently what's called exponential form, and we are to put it in log form. So needless to say that you're giving something in exponential form, meaning that you have some base, in my case that is the number 4, and we're raising it to some exponent, in my case 3, so we have some exponent here. And to keep things simple, let's just say that when you take a base like 4 and raise to an exponent like 3, you get some result like 64, and we call this in exponential form. Now my job is to put it in logarithm form, which is basically just a rewritten version of this. In log form, these would get rearranged. Why we do it is another story. That's short for logarithm. And the base, which is 4, gets put as a subscript on the logarithm. So we're going to write the word base down here. And then it turns out that the exponent, in my case 3, gets written to the right of the equal sign here. So here I have some exponent. And so far I have the base here, I have the exponent here. In fact, it's actually usually easier to explain going from log form to exponential form, because I typically just tell students to start here at the base and work their way around like this. This base gets raised to this exponent to give them this result here. So right here would be my result, and I like to put it in parentheses, but let me make sure that you realize the result is not a subscript anymore, only the base is. So you have the result here. So in your case, what you have there is that the base is 4, the exponent is 3, and if you take 4 and raise it to the third power, you get an answer or result of 64. So in log form, we would write basically the identical numbers, except they would have different positions. So the base goes down here as a subscript. It's lower as a subscript. Then the exponent over here would be the 3. So I write my exponent of 3 here. And again, I like to think of it as actually easier going from this form to that form, because you can take the subscript here, which is the base, raise it to this exponent here, and then you should get this result. So what would that result be? If you take 4 and raise to the third power, the result would be 64.